What is up? I'm gonna make a Cubano, but add froth half and half as well. Now, I've made this before, and some people have said that it's not actually called a Cortadito. So I would like some clarity. Please leave a comment on what a Cubano with froth half and half is actually called, if it's not called a Cortadito. I've seen it mentioned as a Cortadito in a couple places, yet not everyone agrees. Anyway, start out as we normally do. 16 grams, 15 grams, because I'm saving a gram for the brown sugar layer. And also so I can ensure I have enough room in the portafilter to actually tamp it down all the way. Fill it up just about there. That's what I like to do when tamping these down. Bit of a tamp, just a tiny tamp, then a larger tamp, and take exactly 1 teaspoon, maybe a little bit less. Plop it on the top, try to level it out as best as I can, similar to like spreading pizza, right? Pizza sauce. And then we give it the full tamp. And I like to spin it around as well. And that should be good. And yes, definitely clean out the spout after you do this. Double shot, but I'm going to cut it short. About right there. I didn't look at the pressure, but I'm assuming it was good because it came out looking perfect, really. I'll go ahead and take this off. Oh yeah, I need you. Come on. There we go. It's being difficult. Go ahead and establish my texture real fast. All right. Give it a bit more. Try to get rid of those big bubbles. All right, that should be good. Yeah, froth and half is different, but it's not too different. Sometimes it's easier than milk, other times it's like that, and it's a bit more difficult to get the texture you really want. But it is very similar, very, very similar. Got a good layer of foam on top. I'm going to get rid of that so I can have a better chance of pouring good art. Get the espresso a good swirl. All right. Yeah, I could have poured more of that foam layer off and had an even better chance of getting the flow and everything. No, I think I just started the art part too late. I filled it up too much and then it became hard to get enough flow out of the picture to establish the shape of the heart. Anyway, here is y'all's Cortadito, if it is called that. But please, if it's called something else, tell me what else it should be called. Don't just say it's not called that. But anyway, thanks for watching, and more soon.